Good morning to you. I'm Teresa Dufour. As CT Style remains on hiatus, we bring you today's CT Style Express. Now, during this uncertain time, many people have questions about personal injury and workers' compensation, especially as many people head back to work. That's why News 8 has partnered with the Goff Law Group to bring you the law down. Attorney Brooke Goff joins us from her office in West Hartford via Zoom. Nice to see you, Attorney Goff.
Hi, Teresa. How are you? I can't wait till this in-person thing comes back, right?
I know. Sooner than later, I hope. All right.
So today we're going to work on TV with the Zoom. So at least if I'm in the studio, I can see it, you know? So.
Well, it's working out just fine. I love the backdrop.
Good.
Your new office is great. So we're focusing on workers' compensation today. So maybe first, what constitutes a workers' compensation case?
Basically, if you're injured at work, it's workers' compensation, right? Unless you were like in a fight or something kind of crazy where you basically caused the injury intentionally. But workers' compensation, if you're injured at work, includes COVID-19, by the way. So if you contract COVID-19 at work, that's included in here as well. The big thing with workers' compensation people get confused about is that workers' compensation doesn't matter about fault, right? So if you trip over your own feet or you trip over a box and you're in the course of your employment, that is workers' comp, okay? There's a body in place for that. Or if you fall, you're an electrician and you fall, or, you get electrocuted, whatever, that's also workers' comp. Fault, we don't pay attention to, as long as it's not like, hey, look, you just decided to go and start a fight and somebody hit your back. So workers' compensation basically encompasses all injuries that happens while you're working, not at work, because some people don't have an office they report to, but while you're working.
Got it. Yep. So what are the steps, if that does happen, that you need to take to file a claim?
Sure. So, I mean, let's say somebody's injured, they get the medical attention that they need, fine, right? So first, you got to notify your employer. Guys, this isn't a secret. I've been doing this a long time. I've handled thousands and thousands of cases. And I have to tell you that it's very rare that an employer will let you go because of a comp injury. And if they do, then you have another cause of action, which I won't get into on this call. We'll talk about that another. But, so basically what you have to do is you got to tell your employer. You don't want to be the person that didn't tell them. And then a month later, when your employer gets a notice, they're like, I had no idea because this person never told me, right? If I had known. So then you're up against, well, did it really happen? That's what they are, right? So first you got to tell your employer, you get a year to file the notice of claim form, a 30C. Don't wait the year, please. If you can put off anything else in your life, do not put this off. This thing should be hot to get out of your hands. If you get a lawyer, the lawyer's going to do it for you. It is a legal document, so I always recommend people do have that consultation. It's free before they decide to do their own 30C and file this form, because that is the Bible of the case, is what we call it here. Your 30C can fix everything going forward, your injuries, etc. So you file a 30C, it's got to be sent certified to the employer and to workers' comp. I always tell you have an option for which workers' comp district you choose, either where you live or where the injury happened, where your employer is. I always recommend you choose where you live, because let's say you can't go back to work for some time and there's a hearing, you do not want to be schlepping to, an hour away to maybe where you are working at the time. That's a 30C. They're going to respond with a form called a Form 43. Guys, anything that comes in the mail that's certified in workers' comp, do not throw it away. Do not throw it on a pile. Do not be afraid to open it. They're sending it certified to have a record because they're trying to do something, right? It's usually something bad. So open it, deal with it. With workers' comp, you can't run away from it, deal with it. The 30C is the most important thing, Teresa, and then also the 1A form. There's a 1A form that we use to calculate your comp rate. You got to get the form 1A in ASAP, because if there's an underpayment, it's going to take you forever to get those payments back. If there's an overpayment, they're going to hit you with a credit down the road. So ABC of workers' comp for your first, 30 days, there it was. And you get to choose your doctor. So make sure you choose your doctor. Don't be bullied into choosing one of your doctors, unless it's a certain type of company, which it's not very common in Connecticut. Go with the rule of thumb that you get your choice of physician.
All right. And I think it's important to note that if you're working with an attorney, they're not getting paid until this case goes through.
So it's so important you bring that up. So this is what's important and what people don't understand. So people hire us typically not right after they get injured. They hire us within a few weeks after they realize, okay, I don't want to do this anymore, or I want a consultation, right? So they're getting checked. So when you're out of work, you're considered TT, temporary total, okay? That means you can't work. Those checks all go to you. In my office, they do. Some lawyers try to manipulate the rules a little bit. I don't agree with that. I'm very outspoken on the topic. I do not touch TT benefits unless they are so contested that I have to go to a trial to get them paid to you. Like if they say the injury never happened. If you're getting checks, you're going to keep getting them, whether I'm involved or not, okay? Those go to you at 100%. I don't get paid until the end of the case, usually a year to a year and a half out, when you're found to be at maximum medical improvement. That's when we get paid, and we get 20% of that lump sum figure. It's a no-brainer working with a lawyer because, guys, even if you've just heard something I said and you're like, what does she mean? You're not the experts. We are, right? So it's kind. I use the example. It's kind of like if you like break your foot. Are you going to sit down and operate on your foot to fix it? No. You're probably going to go to a surgeon and have a surgeon that knows what they're doing. Why? Because it's a big injury and you're afraid for your future well-being. Comp is no different.
Sure.
It's a big injury. You should be afraid for your future well-being. You should be afraid for getting to where you need to be, being, gypped out of benefits, making sure you're being paid the right benefits, making sure you're being guided through the system. It's a no-brainer, guys. So I always tell everybody, and this is not me advocating for lawyers or advocating for myself, having a comp attorney in Connecticut is essential. You'll either realize that now when you first get injured, or you realize it later after you've done all the work. You hire me at that point and I still get the same fee. Don't do all the work and pay me later, don't do all the work and then still pay me later.
There you go. Well,
let me do all the work. Yeah, let me do it, please. Right. And I'm even retentive with my cases, so let me do it. Let me get everything in line for you, and then you will be as stress-free as possible throughout the process.
There you go. And of course, you're a little more over at the gofflawgroup.net, the ABCs, the basics of workers' compensation. Attorney Goff, thank you so much for chatting.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you.